Isa lang deliver natin ngayon. May inspection kasi yung bahay niya ngayon, kaya kailangan namin may deliver ng maaga. Nagdi-day home kasi yun. Kaya bago i-inspectionin yung bahay niya, kailangan may cover yung window well niya. Ha? Yan lang muna. Toys.
We are opening day home.
Oh, you're gonna have day home.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Morning.
Hello.
Sir.
Good, thank you.
Yeah. That's it. Yan. Install na.
Now we have to jump.
It's good now.
Perfect.
It's ready to get.
When is your
Thank you.
inspection, sir?